From the dawn of civilization, mankind has been intrigued by the unexplained, the mysterious, the anomalous. This curiosity has driven us to explore the edges of our understanding, pushing us beyond the familiar and into the realm of the unknown. Consider for a moment the idea of dimensions beyond our own. The concept is not new, but the question remains: can we travel between these dimensions? Now imagine places on Earth shrouded in mystery and steeped in reports of unexplained phenomena. Locations like the Hoia Baciu forest in Romania or the Zone of Silence in Mexico that are whispered to be doorways to other dimensions. These are not mere tales spun around campfires. These are accounts from individuals who claim to have touched the veil of the unknown. As we delve deeper, we open the door to a realm of possibilities and mysteries. So let's embark on this journey together into the world of anomalous portals and connections to other dimensions. Unravel Earth's fascinating secrets and deepest mysteries. Welcome to our channel, your Cosmic Homes tour guide, passionate about Earth's incredible stories. Subscribe, smash the like button, share with fellow explorers, uncover our planet's amazing secrets. Join the journey. Imagine stepping into a forest or a desert and finding yourself in an entirely different universe. A chilling thought, isn't it? Yet, that's precisely what some claim to have experienced in Earth's anomalous zones, places where the inexplicable and the extraordinary seem to be the norm. First, let's take a journey to the Hoia Baciu forest in Romania, often dubbed as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania. This place is notorious for its strange occurrences. Reports of eerie feelings, unexplained physical sensations, and sightings of mysterious orbs of light have been frequent. Many visitors have claimed to experience missing time, where hours pass like minutes, adding to the enigma. Is it a mere psychological phenomenon, or could there be an interdimensional portal lurking within the woods? Next, we traverse to the desolate expanses of the Zone of Silence located in Mexico. This area is known for its radio silence, where signals inexplicably fail to transmit. Odd, right? But it gets even weirder. Tales of time distortions, hovering lights, and even encounters with strange beings make this zone a hotbed for paranormal enthusiasts. Is it just a quirky geographical oddity, or is it a gateway to a different realm? Other anomalous zones also pepper the globe, each with its own unique set of puzzles. The Bermuda Triangle's infamous reputation for vanished ships and aircraft, the puzzling magnetic anomalies of the South Atlantic Anomaly, or the eerie disappearances around the Great Pyramids of Egypt. Each of these places holds a series of unexplained phenomena that have baffled scientists and sparked the curiosity of explorers. These anomalous zones brimming with mystery have led many to speculate. Are we standing on the edge of portals to different dimensions? Could these places be doorways to other dimensions, or are they simply anomalies we have yet to understand? As we delve deeper into these mysterious locations, we invite you to join us on this journey into the unknown, where reality blurs and mysteries unfold. The quest for answers continues. Every now and then, someone comes forward with a tale that defies our understanding of reality. Imagine walking down a familiar street, only to find yourself in a place that looks entirely different. Or perhaps you're in your own home, and suddenly you're standing in a room that doesn't exist. Sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, right? But these are the experiences some individuals claim to have had, experiences that suggest the existence of portals to other dimensions. In the realm of the unexplained, there are numerous reports of people encountering bizarre occurrences that hint at the presence of these portals. From fleeting moments of disorientation to extended periods spent in an entirely different reality, these accounts share a common thread: a sudden shift into an unfamiliar dimension. Let's delve into some of these experiences. There's the case of Emily, a woman from New Jersey. One evening, while walking her dog, she briefly found herself in a parallel version of her neighborhood. In this alternate reality, the homes were the same, but the colors, the landscape, even the air was different. Before she could fully comprehend what had happened, she was back in her familiar surroundings. Then there's the story of Tom, a truck driver from Ohio, who swears he drove through a portal on a lonely highway. According to him, the landscape changed instantly, from a barren desert to a lush, green countryside. Before he could take in the change, he was back on the same desolate highway. In both cases, they had no physical evidence, just their own vivid recollections. But what if we could capture these instances? There are countless photos and videos circulating on the internet that purport to show these dimensional gateways. Some depict strange swirling vortexes appearing in the sky, while others capture inexplicable anomalies on the ground. However, it's important to approach these visual proofs with a healthy dose of skepticism. Digital manipulation is easier than ever in this age of advanced technology. Yet, it's equally vital not to dismiss these accounts outright. After all, many scientific breakthroughs were once considered impossible. In the face of these testimonies, science struggles to provide answers. The laws of physics as we know them don't allow for such abrupt shifts in reality, but as we've seen time and again, our understanding of the universe is far from complete. These accounts challenge our perception of the world around us. What if these aren't just stories but glimpses into a reality yet unknown? Each report, each alleged sighting, pushes us to question and explore the boundaries of our reality. It encourages us to entertain the possibility of a multiverse, where countless dimensions coexist and occasionally intersect. In the end, whether these portals exist or not, they serve to remind us of the vast uncharted territories that lie within the realm of the unknown. They invite us to keep questioning, keep exploring, and above all, to keep an open mind. After all, as the saying goes, truth is stranger than fiction. And who knows? Perhaps one day we might just stumble upon a portal of our own. Science offers us a lens to view the universe, and sometimes that lens reveals more questions than answers. As we delve into the realm of dimensional portals, we find that some theories in modern physics might actually support their existence. Firstly, let's consider string theory. This theory proposes that the fundamental particles we observe are not zero-dimensional points, but one-dimensional strings. String theory also suggests the existence of more than our familiar 3 dimensions. In fact, it posits that there could be as many as 10 dimensions, some of which are compactified or hidden from our perception. Now imagine if these hidden dimensions could be accessed via portals. It's a mind-bending concept, isn't it? Another intriguing concept is the multiverse theory. This theory posits that our universe might just be one of an infinite number of universes, each with different physical laws and dimensions. If this is true, could there be doorways or portals between these universes? Quantum physics, too, provides a fascinating perspective. Some quantum physicists propose that particles can tunnel through seemingly impenetrable barriers via a process called quantum tunneling. Could this concept be extrapolated to larger scales, allowing for the formation of portals? Of course, these are just theories. We've yet to find empirical evidence of dimensional portals. But isn't that the beauty of science? It's a never-ending journey of discovery and understanding. As our knowledge expands, so too does our appreciation for the mysteries of the universe. We've also consulted experts in the fields of quantum physics and cosmology. Their insights are invaluable, adding depth and nuance to our understanding of these complex theories. They remind us that while science can provide explanations, it also encourages us to keep questioning, keep exploring. While these theories are yet to be proven, they open up a universe of possibilities. Quite literally. As we journey through the cosmos of scientific speculation, we are reminded of the vastness of the unknown and the thrilling potential of what we might discover. History is replete with stories of unexplained disappearances and strange occurrences. The Bermuda Triangle is one such example that has been a source of mystery and intrigue for decades. This region, located in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean, is infamous for the numerous ships and aircraft that have seemingly vanished without a trace. The Bermuda Triangle's enigma deepened in the mid-20th century when Flight 19, a group of 5 torpedo bombers, disappeared during a routine training mission in 1945. No wreckage was ever found, and the 14 crew members were never heard from again. This incident, along with many others, has led some to theorize that a portal to another dimension might exist within this enigmatic triangle. The Bermuda Triangle isn't the only place with such stories. Let's turn our attention to the Great Pyramids of Egypt. These ancient structures have long been associated with the paranormal and the otherworldly. The pyramids' alignment with celestial bodies and the precision of their construction have led some to propose that they were built not just as tombs, but as gateways or portals to the stars. While this theory is more speculative than scientific, it captures our collective fascination with the idea of interdimensional travel. Moving on, we delve into the lore of Native American tribes, many of whom believed in the existence of portals to other realms. The Hopi, for instance, talk of sipapu, a small hole or indentation in the floor of kivas used for ceremonial purposes. They believe the Sipapu is a portal through which their ancestors first emerged to enter the present world. On the other side of the world, in Celtic mythology, there's the concept of thin places, locations where the veil between this world and the other is thin enough for individuals to pass through. Many ancient stone circles in the British Isles like Stonehenge are believed to be such thin places. Lastly, we turn to the tale of the Green Children of Woolpit. This 12th century English legend tells of two children with green skin who appeared in the village of Woolpit, claiming to have come from a place called St. Martin's Land, a subterranean world inhabited by green people. Could this be an account of interdimensional travel, or is it merely a folktale? Are these historical cases mere myths, or do they hold clues to a reality beyond our understanding? As we explore the concept of portals to other dimensions, we're left to ponder whether these stories are simply the product of human imagination and our innate desire to explore the unknown, or if they hint at a greater cosmic truth. Whether fact or fiction, these historical cases continue to captivate us, reminding us that there are still mysteries in this world, and possibly beyond, that are waiting to be discovered. There are those who dare to venture into the unknown, seeking answers to questions many fear to ask. This is the spirit of the explorers and researchers who have ventured into the world's anomalous zones, the places on Earth where the normal rules of physics seem to bend and warp. These explorers are not your typical adventurers. They are a unique breed. Driven by curiosity and armed with scientific rigor, they delve into the world's most mysterious regions, often places steeped in local lore and teeming with tales of the unexplained. Take, for instance, the explorers who traverse the dense forests of Hoia in Romania. Known as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania, this forest is famous for its ghostly apparitions, UFO sightings, and instances of missing time. Those who have ventured into its depths report feelings of unease, as if being watched by unseen eyes. Yet these brave explorers press on, collecting data and documenting their experiences in the hope of shedding light on the forest's inexplicable phenomena. Then there are the researchers investigating the Zone of Silence in Mexico, a desert patch where radio signals fail and compasses spin wildly. Stories abound of strange lights in the sky and tales of time travel. Yet, despite the eerie tales, scientists and explorers venture into this zone, armed with equipment and determination, seeking to unravel the mysteries that lie within. Each explorer, each researcher brings back a piece of the puzzle. Some return with tales of strange events, of lights in the sky that move in impossible ways, of time that seems to stretch and distort. Others return with more tangible evidence, with data collected from strange energy readings or unusual geological formations. Yet despite the risks and the mysteries, these explorers continue their quest. They brave the unknown, not for fame or fortune, but for the pursuit of knowledge. To them, each anomalous zone is a new frontier, a chance to push the boundaries of our understanding, to challenge our assumptions about the world, and perhaps even the universe. These explorers remind us of the vastness of the unknown, of the mysteries that still await us in the far corners of our world. But they also remind us of our capacity for discovery, of our innate curiosity and our relentless pursuit of truth. They stand on the edge of the known world, looking out into the abyss of the unknown, and instead of fear, they feel excitement, anticipation, a sense of adventure. The courage of these explorers pushes the boundaries of our knowledge, taking us one step closer to understanding the mysteries of our universe. Their tales, their findings, their experiences, they all contribute to our collective understanding, to our never-ending quest to unravel the mysteries of our world, our universe, and perhaps even other dimensions. The debate around interdimensional portals is as fascinating as the concept itself. It's a battle of perspectives between the skeptics and the believers, a dance between science and faith, the known and the unknown. On one side, we have the skeptics, the guardians of empirical evidence and scientific rigor. They demand proof, data, and repeatability. For them, the existence of interdimensional portals remains a hypothesis until it can be measured and verified. On the other hand, we have the believers, the explorers of possibilities. They argue that just because we can't measure or observe something doesn't mean it doesn't exist. They point to the numerous reports of strange occurrences, the anomalies that defy explanation, and the compelling testimonies of those who claim to have experienced these portals. The skeptics argue that these testimonies are anecdotal, susceptible to human error and bias. They point out that our senses can be deceived, our memories can be faulty, and our desire to believe can color our interpretation of events. They ask for hard, objective evidence, not just stories. The believers counter, pointing to the limits of our current scientific understanding. They remind us that there was a time when the Earth was considered flat, when germs were unheard of, and atoms were a mere theory. They argue that dismissing the possibility of portals because they don't fit within our current scientific framework is short-sighted. Both sides do agree on one thing: the need for further exploration and research. Whether to prove the existence of these portals or to better understand the phenomena that lead people to believe in them, the quest for knowledge continues. The skeptics keep pushing for solid evidence, and the believers keep gathering their stories, their experiences, and their faith in the unseen. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, the discussion around interdimensional portals is a fascinating exploration of the known and the unknown. Our journey through the world of dimensional portals has been an exploration of the human fascination with the unknown. We've ventured into Earth's enigmatic zones, where the inexplicable stirs our curiosity. We've listened to personal accounts of individuals who claim to have experienced these portals firsthand. We've delved into the scientific theories, string theory, and multiverse theory that could potentially explain these phenomena. We've revisited historical cases that still baffle us today, like the Bermuda Triangle and the stories of mysterious disappearances. We've heard from the brave explorers who dared to venture into these anomalous zones. And we've witnessed the passionate debate between skeptics and believers. The research is ongoing and many questions remain unanswered. Yet the allure of these dimensional portals, these gateways to other realms, continues to captivate us. As we continue to explore these dimensional mysteries, we invite you to share your own experiences and opinions in the comments. After all, the journey to understanding our universe is a shared one.